Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Easy Cook with MILA. Today we are going to see a healthy recipe, goat spleen fry. It has lots of medical benefits in it. As I am cooking, I will explain to you the benefits one by one. Let's start. Bismillah. Here I have taken 2 goat spleens, washed nicely. We are going to boil this in hot water just to avoid the secretion from the spleen. Just put it inside. This process helps us to when you cut the spleen, it secretes some fluids, so this process helps to avoid that. Just boil it for a few minutes. Turn it on both the sides. As we are going to cook it again, don't overboil this. Spleen is very good for people who are weak and anemic. At least once in a week if they take that, it kicks out the anemia and boosts the immune system. Let's start preparing. Here I am cutting this into small cubes. Sizes doesn't matter. You can cut according to your choice. So it has, as I said, it has lots of benefits. People who has less level of hemoglobin, this is good for them as well, and it is good for patient who is suffering from cancer, so it increases the blood cells. Let's start adding in the masalas. I have taken half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and finally some salt to taste. Mix this nicely. Just add in a half glass of water. I'm going to pressure cook this. I'm going to cook this until 3 whistles. If you don't want to pressure cook, if you don't like to pressure cook this, you can always cook in a vessel for 15 minutes. Let's close the lid and leave it until 3 whistles. 3 whistles is over now. I'm just switching off the gas stove. Open the cooker after the pressure gets completely released. Now let's check on our spleen. It's nicely cooked. Next we are going to fry this. For that I have taken a pan and I'm adding in around 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm adding in the spleens along with the gravy. We are going to add in some grinded tomatoes, like 1 small tomato. I have grinded into a fine paste, and I'm going to add this. This gives nice tanginess to the spleen fry. We are going to cook this in a high flame till the water completely gets evaporated. Keep stirring the gravy till it attains the desired consistency. You can see the oil has nicely got separated. If this consistency is okay for you, you can stop with this. Here I am going to do it in a little, I wanted it little dry, so I am going to continue this for another 5 to 10 minutes in a high flame. This is the perfect consistency I like. So our spleen is ready now. As I said, it has a lots of health benefit. It is excellent in taste as well. Do try this healthy and tasty recipe in your kitchen and leave your comments in the comment box. Meet you soon with another interesting traditional recipe. Ma salama. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share and don't forget to click the bell icon.